Up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we got a brand new update, and I'm sorry I was late. And we got a new boat with some tires. It looks like the other boat. It said, oh, what's this? Oh, reload. So we got like this new boat with all this customization on here. We got the new comfy chairs. I don't know what's this for. I think it's for like something else. And what does reload mean on here? Oh, remove. Oh, you can remove this. Oh, it's like a seat. Oh, it's a seat. Wait, so where can I put? Oh, I can place it back here. So maybe that's what it's used for. Oh, we got straps. I'm gonna leave it down here. Oh, never mind. I'm not leaving it right here. There we go. Now let's test it in the water. Alright. Okay, let's go that. Come on. Are you not going into the water? Thank you. Why they can't turn this into a trailer that you can load cars with? Cause y'all know that bumper trailer that everybody likes. I used one of my videos. Yeah, I imagine it became like that. That'll be sick. Alright. Let's get in the boat and see how it goes. Oh, wait, what is this? What? I really don't know what this is. Another seat? Ooh. Hey, close. Alright. Okay, it's moving kind of slow. Man, I remember there used to be a house over here. APM. I mean, there used to be a house over here. Look how it dries kind of good. Hey, while I'm sliding. I'm gonna turn it straight. No. I did it. I'm the goat. Okay. Man, I actually love this. Well, if y'all had a fun time on this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See y'all later. Bye.